6 proven ways to start your own profitable online business today. In this video, I am going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how you can actually start your own profitable online business right from today. So follow me all the way to the end of this video while I show you the 6 proven ways to start your own profitable online business today. The first process is to brainstorm your ideas. Now think about, what can I actually focus on? Should I focus on creating content on making money online, or should I focus on creating content on beauty products or traveling or food recipes, right? So you need to brainstorm your ideas and know exactly what you want to focus on, right? So this is the first process to starting your own profitable online business. Now, once you have gotten an idea of what you can actually target or what you can actually focus on, then you can now move to the step 2. Now, the step 2 is to analyze your ideas and know if it is actually profitable. Now, how can you analyze your ideas and know if it is actually profitable? Now, I am going to walk you through how you can actually analyze your ideas and know exactly if it is profitable or if it is not profitable. Now, you can analyze your ideas in different ways. The first method is using Google to analyze your ideas. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing step by step and make good money doing affiliate marketing, then join my affiliate marketing business mentorship. The link is in the video description. Now, what you can actually do right now to analyze your ideas with Google is simply going over to Google search. For instance, if you want to focus on making content around traveling, for instance, traveling from Nigeria to Canada, you can go over to Google and type this particular keyword on Google. Once you type this particular keyword on Google, Google is going to show you different blogs that is already doing this particular business, right? So what you need to do right here is to visit these blogs one after the other, right? Visit these blogs one after the other. Check out how they are monetizing their blog. When I talk about monetization, how they actually make money from their websites, right? So once you have analyzed this and see exactly what they actually do to make money online from their blog, you can now know if your idea or niche that you have selected is profitable or not. Now, that is the first method of analyzing your idea, right? I hope you are following. Now, the second way you can actually use to analyze your idea and know if it is actually profitable is by using YouTube search bar. Now, for you to use YouTube search bar to analyze your ideas and know if it is actually profitable, what you need to do right now is to go over to YouTube, search for your target keyword on YouTube search bar. Once you type your keyword on YouTube search bar, you are going to see tons of videos that is talking about your interest, right? All you need to do right now is to visit these YouTube videos and check out how they are actually making money from their YouTube videos, right? If you find out that they are actually making good profits from their YouTube videos, then you will know that your interest or your niche is going to be a profitable one, right? So this is the second method you can actually use to analyze your interest and know if it is actually profitable or not. Now, let's go over to the third way you can actually analyze your interest. We are going to use ChatGPT for this. Head over to ChatGPT and give it a good prompt. Like, you can say something like, "Hey ChatGPT, I want to start creating content on this particular topic." You give it your keyword. So you can now tell it to analyze the keyword and tell you if it is actually going to be a profitable business for you, right? So ChatGPT is going to analyze that keyword and it is going to tell you if it is going to be a profitable business for you, and it is going to also give you recommendations on how you can actually do your business to make it profitable, right? So these are the 2 ways you can use to analyze your interest and know if it's actually going to be profitable or not, right? So once you have done your analysis and find out that your interest is going to be a profitable one, why not go straight and start up your business? The third step to starting your own profitable online business is to define your target audience, right? Now think about, who am I going to actually talk to, right? Who am I going to actually talk to patronize my business or to engage with me? Now, this totally depends on your interest or your niche, right? For instance, if you are creating content on how to make money online, or you are creating content on travel, okay, let's take example with the travel niche. If you are creating content on the travel niche, your target audience should be people that are interested in traveling, right? That is your target audience. If you want to be creating content on how to make money online, right? So your target audience should be people that are actually looking for ways to make money online. That is your target audience. So they are the people that you are going to be focusing on, creating content that is centered on making money online, so that you will be able to reach these people wherever they are, right? So it is very, very simple as ABCD. Now we have talked about the first one, brainstorming your ideas, and second one, analyzing your ideas, and we have just finished the third one, which is your target audience, right? Now the first step to starting your own profitable online business is to choose your marketing strategy or your means of marketing, right? Now what do I mean by this? There are different ways you can actually market or promote your business. For me, I personally use YouTube and blogging, right? So I create videos on YouTube and I also create content on my blog, right? Then you have to choose your own marketing strategy or your own marketing platform, right? Most people use Instagram, some use Twitter, some use Pinterest, right? But personally, I focus more on YouTube and blogging, right? So you need to choose the one that is best for you, right? Now, the fifth way to starting your own profitable online business is to start creating content for your business. Now, let me tell you, if you are doing online business and you are not creating content, your business is not going to be successful, because your business needs consistent content creation to survive, right? There are millions of people doing the same thing that you are trying to do. So for you to be successful, you need to be consistent in creating content around your niche. Your audience, your followers need to be seeing you consistently to know that your business is actually still what? Existing. If you don't consistently create content, your audience, or let me say your followers, is going to leave you and they are going to focus their interest on another person. Now, the sixth step is to actually start making the money, right? You have brainstormed your idea, you have analyzed your ideas and know if it is actually profitable or not. You have chosen your target audience, you have chosen your marketing strategy or the platform you are going to be using to promote your business. You are now creating content around your specific interest. Now, the last thing here right now is to start making the money. So your main goal right here is to make money from your business. If you do the 5 steps without doing this last step, which is making money from your business, all the 5 steps, they are just a waste of time, because your focus here is to make money from your business. I hope you get the idea right now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube. If you have questions that you want to ask me, you can leave those questions in the comment section and I am going to answer all your questions. Now, if you want to know exactly how I made up to 287,000 naira just from one platform alone, watch this video on screen right now.